morning, students. I am here to teach you account of class 9 and chapter name is office. As I already given the introduction about the office, functions of the office, and today we are going to study about the importance of office. In the importance of office, why it is important, why do we need office? These are the things we are going to study today. As we know that office is the center of an organization and also it is known as the brain of the organization because different kinds of plan and policies, different kinds of works are implemented through the office. The success of the organization depends upon the efficiency of its office. Hence, office is regarded as the main pillar of the organization. So now today I am going to describe about the importance of office. Number 1, information center. Office is the center of the organization for information. It preserves important records in a systematic manner for the future uses in form of invoice, report, agreement, contract and government related documents. The management gets information from the office for making decisions and formulating plan and policies. Number 2, evidence of existence. The office provides the solid evidence or the proof of existence of an organization because it represents the physical form of organization. In case of financial institutions like banks, insurance companies, cooperatives, etc., as well as some services concerned to the office is the evidence or proof of an organization. If there is no office, the people will not believe on the organization because they may not get the information about the organization. Number 3, medium of communication. Communication of information to the right person in a right time is essential for the development of the organization or for the smooth running of the organization. In this regard, office receives as well as transmit information from to insiders or to the outsiders. Hence, office acts as the medium of communication, and also it provides different kinds of plan and policies, different kinds of information to the people. Number 4, Center for Promoting Plan and Policies. Each and every organizations are established with certain objectives. Without objectives, the organization cannot achieve its goal. So, for this, it is essential to formulate and implement plan and policies. As the center of organizations, and office remains as the center for the preparation of plans and policies and implement them.